Alright, we're going to work together to learn how to make a multiplication chart. And the very first thing we do is we write all of our factors that we'll be multiplying. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And again on the top, 1 through 9. The very first thing we want to do is know our 1 facts. And we start with the top row. 1 times 1 is 1, times 2 is 2, times 3 is 3, and go all the way across. And whatever we do on the row, we do on the corresponding column. So we start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The very next thing we want to do is we want to skip all the way to the end and do our 9s. And the way we do that is we remember the Aggie joke. The Aggie was taking the test and he had to ask himself, how many questions do I have to answer? And so he started counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And he said, let me double check. Let me make sure that's right. So we count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is correct. Whatever we copy on the column, we're going to copy on the 9s row. And we do the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 8's already done for you. Now count back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, now we're on to the 2s. And we know how to count our 2s. It's our even numbers. And the way we do that is we start with our row 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, and we check to make sure 18 is there, and it is. And then whatever we do on the row, we do on the column 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, and 18. All right, the very next thing we're going to do is we're going to go to our 5s and skip count by 5s. And we've learned how to do that since we were young. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, and we check to make sure 45 is there, and it is. Now we can copy 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 is already there, 30, 35, 40, and 45. Very good. Now we're ready to do our squares. So we make a line or fold our chart diagonally, and we already have our 1 times 1. That square is done at 1. 2 times 2 makes 4. And if we don't know 3 times 3, we just add 3 to this 3 to the 6, and we come up with 9. Then the very next thing we have is 4 times 4, and we remember that in order to drive a 4x4 pickup truck, we have to be 16 years old. 5 times 5 is already done for you. It's 25. The next thing is 6. 6 times 6. And we remember this. Chick times chick equals dirty chick. 6 times 6 is 36. The next thing we want to do is our 7s, and we remember that 7 times 7 is our football reminder. The San Francisco 49ers are 7 times 7 equals 49. And the very last one is 8 times 8, and we remember our 8s like this. I ate and ate till I was sick on the floor. 8 times 8 is 64. And so there that is there. And 9 times 9 is 81. That's already been done for you. All right. Once we do our squares, now we're ready to go back and do our 3s. We skip count by 3s. And 3, 6, 9 have been done for you. Add 3, and that is 12. 15's been done. Plus 3 is 18. Plus 3 is 21. Plus 3 is 24. And we check to make sure that plus 3 makes 27. Good. And then we copy down 12. 18, 21, 24. The next thing is our 4s, and we only have 3 facts to come up with. So we take 20, and we add plus 4 is 24, plus 4 is 28, plus 4 is 32, and we check. Plus 4 makes 36. That's correct. Now we're going to take these 3 numbers and copy them down here. 24, 28, and 32. Now we're down to the 56 is 7 times 8. So we remember that 5, 6 is 7 times 8. And there it is right there, 56. And we're going to copy it right there. And so now we are down to just 2 boxes left. So all we have to do is add 7 to 35 and add 8 to 40. And there it is. So we're in the 7s column. We're going to add 7 more to it. And 35 plus 7 is what? 42. Just think about touchdowns. And we copy that in the corresponding box There's the 6 times 7 box. And we have one more, 8 times 6. So we start with this number here, 40 plus 8. What could that be? That is 48. And we're going to copy that in the corresponding column. And now you have just learned how to do your multiplication chart. Thank you very much and have a great day.